Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this episode we will be learning how to download and install Royal Match application on your Android device. Whether you are using mobile device or your tablets, this step-by-step guide will help you out. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and launch open Google Play Store. Go to the search button at the bottom of the screen and in the search bar at the top, type in Royal Match and search. In the search result, look for the Royal Match application from Dream Games Limited, and then once you get to this page, click on Install. Wait for the application to download and install, which may take several minutes. Make sure that your device has enough storage space, and once installed, tap on the play button and follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account or play as a guest. That is how you can easily download and install Royal Match on your Android device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.